Quazi here, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can never get sick and how to never ever give in to the sickness pendulum. So, as the title says, you probably know that this is a pendulum, and you're probably wondering what a pendulum is. And a pendulum is basically a reality transurfing concept, which means that, this is based on a quantum view of the events that occur in reality, and it's written by an author called Vadim Zeland. So it's a great, great book on manifestation. I personally think it's the Manifestation Bible. If you're interested, just check it out, read it. It's a big, big book, Manifestation Bible. But anyway, what this book talks about is the concept of a pendulum. And if you don't know what a pendulum is, click up here. I've made a lot of videos on them. And basically, a pendulum is an energetic structure that feeds off collective like-minded thinking. Now, what a sickness pendulum is basically people, one person getting sick and a lot of people just starting to give into that pendulum and starting to believe that they're going to get sick because of the idea of contagion. I'm not saying it's fake. I don't really know if it's real or fake, but maybe it could be a belief system altogether. We don't really know the true nature of reality because it always hides itself from us. So, people get sick, they see one person getting sick, and then everyone starts to get sick all together. And this used to happen to me a lot. And whenever my roommates would get sick and people around me would start getting sick, I'd be like, oh no, this is flu season. And then I would start getting scared and I would give in to that sickness pendulum. And whenever you're giving into a pendulum, what's basically happening is you're tapping into this unconscious part of you. You're living unconsciously, and therefore you're giving your energy away to this. And whenever you're reacting, you're giving your energy away to pendulums. And pendulums are starting to feed off of this energy and getting stronger and stronger. Their sway is getting faster and faster. They're getting more and more energy. And that's what pendulums really want to do. These collective like-minded structures, they want to feed off on your energy. And pendulums love to feed off of conflict energy. And this conflict energy is the energy of fear or whatever it is, the potential that you're giving out, whatever you're giving into. So now if you're giving into that sickness pendulum, you're noticing people getting sick around you and you're like, oh no, I'm going to get sick. And you keep propagating that. You keep placing your attention on that. Two things are happening. You're first giving your attention to the pendulum. And the second thing is you're fearing it. And by fear, you're building up excess potential as well. And if you don't know what excess potential is, click up here. And excess potential is basically you causing an imbalance in nature's field. And nature just generates what is known as balance forces to balance out this field. And this imbalance, this excess potential, is caused by attributing excess meaning to anything. So this person getting sick, you're attributing excess meaning to it and what it could mean for you. And you're getting afraid, you're fearful, you just start covering up for yourself and you're walking around, all safe and protected. And even with the object of your desire. Desire is an excess potential itself. Whenever you're raising desire, you're placing importance on the object of your desire, and therefore you're raising excess potential. It's almost like putting a pen up here, and now it has gravitational potential. But when you put your importance level up here, it has excess potential. So when you're placing excess importance on someone else getting sick around you, and you're like, oh no, now I'm going to get sick, you keep propagating that, you're raising excess potential through the very fear that you have, and also you're giving into that pendulum. Your energy is giving into that pendulum. So now you have less energy to fend off sickness and just be yourself and pursue the things that you want in your life. And I noticed this because when I was younger, I would pay a lot of attention to people getting sick because I always started to believe that I'm prone to sickness, because I was always just getting sick every single month, and my parents would be like, oh, you're sick, you're always sick, this and that. And then they started to make me believe that I was, getting easily sickness prone. So then I would get sick even more. And this just became my reality because it became a part of my identity eventually. And it was just part of my belief system. And then my RAS, my reticular activating system, was programmed to look for sickness around me. And whenever someone would get sick, I'd be like, oh no, now I'm going to get sick because I'm around that person. And again, this just became a self-propagating reality. And this is the last thing that I want for you. So what I want you to do is the only way to fend off pendulums like these, the sickness pendulum first of all, is to become fully conscious. That's it. The only reason you're giving into sickness pendulums is because you're unconsciously living and you're reacting to it. And again, I made a video on this on the best way to deal with pendulums, which is basically unconscious living is causing you to give your energy away to pendulums. Whenever you're reacting to something and not responding to it, you're giving your energy away. Response is conscious because you're choosing what and how you're going to respond. Reactivity is responding with an emotion. Now you're emotionally responding to this. Whatever emotion feels right, you're just going with it. It's like unconscious. So the last thing I want for you is to live unconsciously, because every single problem in your life will probably be solved if there's a little bit more consciousness. And I found out this personally in my life, because when I started learning about the law of attraction, when I started practicing spirituality and meditating and doing yoga and eating healthy, I started getting healthier, and I haven't been sick in a year or two now. Yeah, I don't even know when the last time was that I got sick. Knock on wood, because I find that whenever I brag about not getting sick, somehow I get sick. So again, knock on wood. But anyway, what I want you to know is that ever since I stopped giving my attention away to sickness pendulums, I never got sick. So now even people are getting sick around me, I just pay no attention to it. My girlfriend gets sick around me, and I've been around my girlfriend for a long periods of time. I just don't get sick because I refuse to give my attention, and I refuse to let that sickness pendulum enter my layer of reality. Just because she gets sick doesn't mean I will get sick. So I want you to get into that kind of mindset as well, where you live consciously and you see that, oh my God, she's getting sick, my girlfriend's sick, and I'm hanging around her. I must be getting sick as well. But I want you to completely reframe that and have the mindset of, oh, look, I'm reacting negatively to this sickness pendulum. However, I'm going to compose myself and respond to it and not react to it. So now you're responding with neutral attention, where you're just like, oh, I'm observing this. So once you observe a reality, it no longer has power over you. So this is exactly how I really stopped getting sick, because whenever I would notice people get sick around me back in the day, I would react to it, give my energy away to it, and I would have less energy for myself to fend off sickness even. And energy is a mystical thing. We don't really know how it works, but we just know that it's at play. So stop giving your energy away to sickness pendulums. That's the first thing. And also physically, on the physical plane, you can do stuff through declaring your intention on staying healthy. So whenever you eat food, just declare your intention that I'm eating healthy food because I want to stay healthy. This food is making me healthy. Tie in your belief with the action that you're doing. And this will again program your RAS. And if you don't know what that is, click up here. Your reticular activating system to look out for proof that you are actually healthy. So Quazi's eating healthy food, therefore Quazi must be healthy. Boom. And what I also started to do was take multivitamins, vitamin C occasionally, 1,000 milligrams, and also salmon oil. And I take these every other day. So I'll take one capsule of each every other day. And before taking this, I make a declaration of intention where I say, this is keeping me healthy. I intend to be healthy, and these supplements are keeping me healthy. And that's all I do. So apart from just eating healthy, that's all the supplements that I take. And because of this, I've thankfully been healthy for a long time. And I wish good health for all of you as well. And living consciously will make a huge difference in all of your lives. And that's my promise. So with that, I hope this video helped. I know it was a short one. And I sincerely hope this helped. And hope you now understand that you're giving your energy away to sickness pendulums. And as a result, you're having less energy left for yourself to actually fend off sickness and become healthy. And you're just losing your intention energy as a result of giving it away. And the second thing of all, declaring your intention and identifying proof of in your reality that you're really healthy and you're doing healthy things, therefore you must be healthy. So start looking for proof in it once you start to put in a new belief system in place. So anyway, with that, hope this video helped. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment if you did. I'm also growing a massive Facebook group. We have 1,000 members now, and we have really, 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 really great group members who have great knowledge about this stuff, and they are sharing amazing stuff. And I would love for you to be a part of this group and experience this as well. So click on the link below if you're interested in joining. Also, I'm sad to announce that the Reality Mastery program is closed for enrollment, and we're at capacity. So unfortunately for April, we don't have any more spots left. However, I'm still offering the free consult to one lucky winner, and you'll have a chance to win if you comment Reality Mastery in the comment section down below. So just comment Reality Mastery, and I will pick one lucky winner for a free consult where we will spend 1 hour diagnosing your current law of attraction practices and how you can become better at implementing what is known as identity shifting. And what identity shifting is the most powerful paradigm of manifestation, because I found that most people are focused on doing, and learning these techniques, 55 times 5, meditation techniques, visualizing techniques, and it never works. Like, it works one day and you get little results, but you never really get the life-transforming results you want. And that's because nobody really tells you how to be. Most people tell you how to do and how to have, but no one tells you how to be. Because when you focus on being, then the doing and the having just falls into place on their own. And that's why I teach identity shifting in the Reality Mastery program itself. So in the free consult, I'll be diagnosing your current law of attraction practices and how you can implement identity shifting to help you transform your life. So I hope I see you at the free consult. Just comment Reality Mastery down below and I will pick one lucky winner. And hope to see you there. Till next time, peace.